Did you get it? Sorry, we were standing in the water and it's just a wave came up. Anyway, I was about to say, good morning everyone. Happy New Year. We are walking Sanibel Beach. Sun is partially obscured and the waves are coming in. Does it feel like the surf is picking up, honey? I feel like it's not as calm as it was when we first got on the beach. We'll go down to where that curve where you see a bunch of shells and then we'll work our way back. Did your feet get wet?
Nope.
Okay, good. All right, so the tide is going out. But still not enough. Oh, I just saw a fighting conch and it just got washed away. Oh, oh, oh. I got it. I don't know why I keep going after them. I have like a bazillion. I had to have them all. It's weird how every day is different. Yesterday we saw a bunch of olives and I have not seen, I think I've seen one olive today, but not nearly like what we saw yesterday. It's peculiar. Sorry about the coughing. Honey, can I have a drink of water? Oh, sorry. I forget that you don't want your feet wet. Thank you. Ooh, it's like coming for you. It's like the farther you step back, the closer it's like no, he's gonna get it. All right, so there's the pink house. That's pretty much where we turn around at the pink house. We just want to turn around because there's back there. I'm sorry, what? We know there's a couple tide pools. Tide is going out. So hopefully by the time we get back to them, it'll went back far enough that we'll see some shells. You what?
It's very clean.
It is very clean. So luckily this low tide we've only seen like one dead fish. If you look at that high tide line up there full of seaweed, oh my God, it is full of dead fish. It's pretty nasty. We're just gonna walk up here about 200 more feet and then turn around. Huh? It's not on camera, but we look over and all we see is some lady's butt. I'm gonna respect her privacy and not show you her weird. I don't know what she's doing. I'm trying not to look. Don't know what she's doing. Did you see something? That's okay. So like, if you had a net or a grabber, this is like the perfect low tide for it, because there's all these shells that are trying to get over this lip in the water, but I do have a net. I never bring it. I just prefer to walk up and down the beach. Because then you can come across this beautiful tulip. Yay! Lovely. Lovely. You don't like the word lovely, honey? Oh my God, look at those shells right there. See, there's a lip right here. See what I'm talking about? If you had a net right there. I think, and so this is the pink house. This is where we turn around. This was exposed last night at low tide. I remember that. All right. Thanks everyone for watching. I hope you're having a wonderful new year. And we will see you later.